Meaning of Henry Hudson.
Henry Hudson.
Henry Hudson.
Henry Hudson.
Henry Hudson. Henry Hudson was an English navigator and explorer known for his attempts to find a northwest passage to Asia. In 1607, he was hired by the Muscovy Company to find a shorter route to Asia, but he failed to find a navigable passage. He later sailed for the Dutch East India Company and explored the Hudson River in what is now New York. His discovery led to the establishment of Dutch trading posts in the region. Hudson's legacy is complex. While he is celebrated for his explorations, he also played a role in the colonization and displacement of indigenous peoples.